like to take whatever medications that you take and how what are the effects and drawbacks?
Well, my symptoms originally started with a shaky foot, right foot. I'm right-handed, so it was my right foot. And when I would suspend it out from the floor, it would shake by itself. I asked about it, but they didn't think it was anything. And then eventually my right hand started to shake. And so that's when I was diagnosed with the disease. And
how many years ago was that?
about 6.
Okay.
I'm 66 as of yesterday.
Okay.
So,
congratulations.
thanks, I made it. But I immediately got involved in a clinical trial for a drug therapy, new drug for Parkinson's, when I was first diagnosed, and it almost killed me.
Oh, tell me about that. What type of drug was it?
Well, it wasn't identified. It was a drug from a European pharmaceutical company, Solvay.
Okay.
And it was a drug for Parkinson's, and it was a triple-blind test because you had a placebo, you had a Parkinson's agonist called Mirapex, and then the test drug. And it was a 9-month period, and I ended up feeling better from it. My symptoms decreased, and I thought I had the drug, but I had Mirapex. I said, well, that's good, at least that works. And then they asked me after that to go on an actual trial, a 9-month trial with the drug,
Okay.
which I said, sure, let's try it. I made it a month at the lowest level of dosage, and then they increased it, and I was in Las Vegas, and I thought I was never going to make it home alive.
Oh, what happened? What did you,
Every symptom that you could imagine, every side effect showed up, and my heart started to race. I actually was in the airport and had to sit down
Okay.
before I got on the plane, and then I came back, and the next day it was just totally gone in terms of feeling like doing anything, and my heart was racing. So I called the doctor and said, I'm done. I'm not going to go any further, so I stopped. So then this program was introduced to me, and I said, no drugs, right? Okay, I'm in.
But do you take any medication at all?
Yes, I do. I take Carboleva, which is Sinemet, and which is dopamine itself, and then a Mirapex time release, and then Paxil for depression that comes with the disease, so I can function better. But I've noticed little increases in the symptoms over the 6-year period, and I've had a lot of trouble with my right foot because of it, because my right foot and hand tend to want to clench.
Okay, so
So it deformed my toes and my right foot. So I've had 4 operations on them in the last year and a half.
so they
2
just
years.
clench and they just won't unclench.
Right.
Yeah.
And then the large, big toe started to turn in, and so I had to have it operated on. And I had a titanium plate put on the big toe and broke it.
You,
Oh my God.
well,
Broke
that-
the titanium plate. And my podiatrist said, how did you do that? I said, just clenching my toes. You can't do that. But my doctor,
Yeah.
Melissa Hauser, said, oh yeah, you can do that. So that was removed, and they put these 2 large pins back in there, and so far it's holding steady, but it's been difficult, and it caused me to have problems walking, and but now I'm working out a lot more, and so I'm overcoming the difficulties of it.